Enabling two-factor authentication on your Spotify account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device or visit the Spotify website on your browser. Log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the app, you can find this by tapping on the gear icon or your profile picture. On the website, click on your profile name and select Account. Step 3. Locate Security Settings. In your account settings, look for the Security or Privacy section. This is where you will find options related to account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be prompted to enter your phone number or email address to receive a verification code. Step 5. Verify your identity. After enabling the feature, you will receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter this code in the provided field to confirm your identity and complete this setup process. Now your Spotify account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your verification method accessible for future logins.